The 7 biggest mistakes home sellers make in Richmond, Virginia, and how to avoid every single one. If you're planning to sell your home in the Richmond, Virginia area, this video might just save you thousands of dollars. Because here's the hard truth. Even in a strong market, it's easy to lose time, lose money, or lose your sanity if you make just one wrong move. And unfortunately, most sellers make at least one of these mistakes without realizing it until it's too late. Today, I'm walking you through the 7 most common and most costly mistakes sellers make in Richmond, Virginia. These are the ones I've seen over and over again. I'm going to explain why they happen, how to avoid them, and what you should do instead to sell faster, for more money and way less stress. My name is Reid, and I help homeowners in Richmond, Chesterfield, Henrico, and the surrounding area sell smarter, not harder. Whether you're weeks away from listing or just thinking ahead, this video is for you. So let's jump in. Mistake number 1, overpricing your home. I get it. You put a lot into your home. You've seen what other homes are listed for, and naturally, you want to get as much as possible out of your sale. But here's what most people don't realize. Pricing your home too high from day one is the fastest way to kill momentum. The longer your home sits, the more buyers assume something's wrong with it. And in today's market, buyers are more educated and more skeptical than ever. A listing that lingers loses leverage. And what ends up happening? You drop the price, sometimes more than once, and usually settle for less than if you priced it strategically to begin with. Instead, I recommend we price to create momentum. When you price strategically, especially in the first 10 to 14 days, you attract more eyes, more showings, and potentially multiple offers, which can drive the price up, not down. Mistake number 2, skipping pre-listing prep. Selling a home isn't just about sticking a sign in the yard. Presentation matters. I can't tell you how many times I've seen great homes sit on the market simply because they weren't presented the right way. Buyers aren't just buying a house, they're buying a feeling. And if your home feels cluttered, dark, dated, or neglected, it sends a signal that there might be hidden problems. Prepping your home doesn't have to be overwhelming. I walk my sellers through a custom checklist: what to clean, what to update, and what to ignore. It's about maximizing perceived value and showing your home at its best without wasting time or money. Now, mistake number 3, using DIY photography or weak marketing. Your first showing isn't in person, it's online. Buyers scroll past dark, poorly framed, or cluttered listing photos in seconds. And if your home doesn't stop their scroll, they're never booking a showing. End of story. Every listing I put out gets professional photography, strategic staging, and a fully customized marketing plan across multiple platforms, multiple listing service, Google, Facebook, Instagram, email, even direct outreach to other agents with motivated buyers. So it's not just about being seen, it's about being unforgettable. Mistake number 4, letting emotions get in the way. Selling your home can be emotional. You've got memories, milestones, and maybe even a little pride in every wall and window. But buyers don't see that. They see a price, a space, and a deal to be made. When sellers take negotiations personally, they often reject great offers or get stuck on little details that stall the sale. This is why having a professional in your corner matters. My role is to protect your financial interest and keep you from sabotaging your own sale without realizing it. Now, mistake number 5, poor timing and no launch plan. Many sellers think it's just about picking a day and going live. But what most don't realize is there's a window, usually in that first 10 days, where your home gets the most attention. That early interest is the golden window where you have the most leverage. If you go live on the wrong day or without a plan to generate buzz and drive traffic, you're going to miss that window. And that's when homes start to linger and price drops follow. Every home I list has a strategic launch plan, pre-listing marketing, pre-scheduled showings, and social buzz. So we hit the market at full force, not just with fingers crossed. Mistake number 6, no plan for your next move. Now this one's sneaky. but I see it all the time. A seller focuses entirely on listing their home, but hasn't thought through what happens when it sells in 5 days. Where are you going? What's your move out plan? What if you haven't found your next home? So panic kicks in, deals fall apart, stress skyrockets. Before we ever list your home, I help you map out a full transition plan, whether you're upsizing, downsizing, moving locally, or heading out of state. We build the game plan up front so your move is smooth and drama-free. Now, mistake number 7, working with the wrong agent or trying to do it alone. Now, this one might sound biased, but I can't skip it. Not all agents are created equal. Some do this part-time, some don't have a process, and some treat your listing like a transaction, not a strategy. That can cost you thousands, not just in the sale price, but in wasted time, bad advice, or deals that fall apart in escrow. And trying to sell on your own, that might work if you got a buyer lined up already, but otherwise, you're taking on the work of a photographer, marketer, negotiator, legal risk manager, and transaction coordinator, and doing it all without backup. And when you hire the right agent, you're not just paying for someone to open doors. You're hiring a guide, a negotiator, and a partner who's there to protect your best interests at every turn. So let's quickly recap. Number 1, overpricing. Number 2, skipping prep. Number 3, poor marketing. Number 4, emotional negotiating. Number 5, launching without a plan. Number 6, no exit strategy. And number 7, wrong agent or no agent. Now here's the good news. Every one of these is avoidable. With the right guidance, the right prep, and the right plan, you can sell faster for more money and with way less stress. So if you're even thinking about selling your home in the next 3 to 12 months, let's have a conversation. I'll walk you through your options, give a no-pressure game plan, and help you make the smartest decision for you. Now, if this video has helped you, I hope you'll subscribe. I post new videos every week for Richmond area homeowners who want to sell smarter. Next week, I'm going to go deep on one of the biggest questions sellers ask me all the time. How much is my home really worth? And how do I make sure I don't leave money on the table? I'll walk you through exactly how home values are calculated and what buyers are really willing to pay. If you got questions in the meantime, drop them in the comments or shoot me a message. I respond personally, and I'd love to help. Thanks for watching. See you next week.